In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner. Before we begin, it's important to know one key limitation in Microsoft Planner. There is no built-in recycle bin for deleted tasks. That means if a task is removed, you usually can't go back later and restore it from a deleted items area. The recovery option depends on acting quickly and using the undo message that appears right after deletion. Start by opening Microsoft Planner and going to your plan board. This is the board where your tasks are organized, and it's the place where you'll manage or recover a task if it has just been deleted. Make sure you're in the correct plan so you can see the task you want to work with. Next, locate the task and click the three dots on that task. This opens the Task's More Options menu. If you're not familiar with it, this menu usually contains actions related to that specific task, including the option to remove it. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct task, especially if several tasks have similar names. From that menu, click Delete. As soon as you do this, the task will be removed from the board. This is the critical moment to pay attention, because Microsoft Planner does not store deleted tasks in a separate recovery area that you can browse later. If you delete the task by mistake, you need to act immediately. After deleting the task, look for the undo pop-up message. It usually appears briefly on the screen after the deletion happens. Click Undo as soon as you see it. This will restore the deleted task and place it back on your board. The main thing to remember is that recovering a deleted task in Microsoft Planner is only possible in that short window right after deletion, using the undo option. If the pop-up disappears and you don't click it in time, Planner does not provide a standard built-in way to recover that task afterward. A helpful tip is to pause for a second whenever you delete a task, just to make sure you catch the undo message if needed. If you're working quickly or cleaning up multiple tasks, it's easy to miss that notification. So if there's any chance you may need the task back, keep your eyes on the screen immediately after clicking delete. That's all there is to it. If you need to recover a deleted task in Microsoft Planner, the key is to use the undo pop-up right away.